Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of PC building with a special focus on the Cooler Master Nr200p Max Mini-ITX case. This powerhouse of a case has been making waves in the market as the best air cooler in its class. Let's find out why. First things first. Let's talk about what sets the Cooler Master Nr200p Max apart from the competition. This isn't just your average Mini-ITX case. It's a compact powerhouse designed to maximize performance and hardware compatibility. One of the standout features of the Nr200p Max is its custom 280mm radiator, paired with two pre-installed sickle-flow PWM 140mm fans. This ensures reliable cooling for your CPU, even under heavy loads. But it's not just about cooling. This case is built for maximum versatility. With support for vertical, triple-slot GPUs up to 336mm in length, and premium PCIe Gen 4 riser cable included, you can customize your setup to suit your needs. And let's not forget about aesthetics. The Nr200p Max comes with your choice of a vented steel panel for optimal airflow, or a crystal clear tempered glass side panel to showcase your high-performance components and style. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates sleek design and top-notch performance, the Cooler Master Nr200p Max Mini-ITX case has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy building!